Today we show you how to save some money by cutting up your own chicken hotel breast style. But first, we want to give a shout to Citrus Safe for sponsoring this video. If you want to clean your grill properly, use Citrus Safe. It uses citrus to clean your grill. It is good.
Next chicken we got here is a hotel style chicken. So what I mean by hotel style is we're going to break it down, put the bone-in breasts all together. So this here, you're gonna cook whole on the grill with the skin on it and everything. So first thing, remove your neck, remove your gizzards and livers and heart. If you want to use that for raccoon bait, whatever you're gonna do, go right ahead and do it up. Go over here. Now take your knife, either knife you want to use. Go right here and you cut right along the leg quarters. Now you don't want to cut too much of the skin because you want the skin to get crispy while you're cooking it on the barbecue. Go straight down along these ribs. You want to cut straight down in, same side to this side. You want to loosen up. All you're doing is loosen it up. So now you have your whole breast coming out. Now what you do is you get your thumb straight down inside where the neck was, right in here where the gizzard and the neck were. You pull and you separate the back and the neck area. So now the only thing holding it together is the wings. You have your wishbones on each side are going to pop just like so. So now you have an easy area to cut. Take your knife, cut straight down, right along those broken wishbones. Each side, pop the joint so your wings come off. Wings come off. Gotta pop this one a little bit more. There is your bone-in, hotel style, skin on chicken breast. Ready to go, marinate, throw on your grill, smoker, great smoked, on the grill, either way, open flame, ready to go. Now, you got your wings, cut your wings off. You know what to do with these.
Oh, yeah.
Cut your wings right off. You got your back and your leg quarters area here. Pop joints just like we did before. You can leave that whole and cook the whole thing on the grill just as so. So now you have just your leg quarter and back area without your breast. So now it's an easier cook, and so you're not worried about if your breast is cooked all the way. You're able to cook it without the breast on there because your breast is separated. So now you're able to cook it straight down flat and just turn it twice and you're good to go.
Perfect.
Perfect. Well, actually, you need to actually cut your, you don't want your butt gland on there. So now you're actually perfect. Sorry
Real
about that.
pretty.
It's easy to do.
All right.
And there you go.
Good one. Thumbs up.
That's a hotel chicken.
Thumbs up.
My stomach just went to Memphis, baby.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.